Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am getting ready to do a rebatch of my peppermint scrub soap. I always have this soap available. It's got peppermint essential oil in it, and I always have used the poppy seeds in the past. And last couple batches I had gotten some of the black jojoba beads from BeScented I think I got them in the mystery box, and so I subbed out the jojoba beads I subbed out the poppy seeds for the jojoba beads. And in full disclosure, I told my customers, I said, hey, it's a little bit different, and they all kind of came back and said, hey, can you make it the original way you made it? Some of my customers who buy this soap, they kind of always buy this soap. And so the jojoba beads just aren't quite as exfoliating as the poppy seeds. So I am remaking it. My next couple batches, I will go back to doing the poppy seeds, and I'm going to find something else to do the jojoba beads in. Find a different soap to use it in. So I've got all my batter ready. I mixed in my kaolin clay and my colloidal oatmeal, got the butters and the oils all ready. This batter, the peppermint essential oil does not accelerate or it doesn't rise. So this batch, because I want to suspend the poppy seeds into the soap, I need to make sure the batter is pretty thick. So if you normally watch my videos, I don't stick blend a lot. Here I'm going to be stick blending quite a bit just to get the batter to thicken up, so that the poppy seeds are evenly dispersed throughout the bar of soap. So I'm going to stick blend, and then add in my poppy seeds. Okay, so I've added in the poppy seeds, and I kept stick blending because I want to get the batter just thick enough. It's okay to stick blend once you put the poppy seeds in it. Mama. They're so small. They're so small that they're not going to break up. Like when I make my oatmeal soaps, I don't want to stick blend those because I don't want the oatmeal pieces to become scratchy. So it's okay to go ahead and over stick blend this a little bit even once the poppy seeds are in. So they're pretty well dispersed. I've got this is my sapphire mold. It's the same thing as the diamond mold. The diamond mold's the clear mold. They're 5-pound silicone molds from BeScented. They're kind of my go-to molds when I'm not doing a slab or doing a test batch. It's 5 pounds, and they're really sturdy silicone. They don't need support. They will hold, you'll see once I pour the batter in, it holds up on its own, super, super sturdy. So it doesn't need a support. It doesn't need an extra wooden mold, nothing like that. So, and they're super easy to clean, like a little bit of hot water, once you've unmolded, and a quick sponge, and super easy to clean. You don't have to worry about lining the mold. But anyway, so this is super simple soap. Not a lot of jazz to it, but that's kind of And so here we are, just scraping out the last little bits of the soap batter. And I don't do anything funky to the top. I just kind of let it sit. I don't do any texturing, no swirls. So here we are. I'm going to cut the couple bars of the soap. I'm not going to show you all the bars because they look exactly the same. I had put this mold into the oven for 24 hours, and I did not turn the oven on. Just let it sit there so it naturally gels. But here's the bars. You can see the poppy seeds are just pretty evenly dispersed, and they're just slightly exfoliating. I'd say on a scale of like 1 to 10, they're probably like a 5 or a 6, whereas the jojoba beads are probably like a 2 or a 3. So these are probably, I would say, twice as exfoliating. But people really like it. People love the peppermint essential oil. And so there you go. You kind of see some of the bars. Thanks so much for watching. I'll put a link for supplies in the comment section. Have a great day.